be real for a second. You've used the back camera, seen the inverted filter, and thought, why does my face look so wrong? You instantly think, I'm ugly. Stop. You aren't. The reality? Your habits are actively reshaping your bone structure every single day. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to fix this naturally. And don't worry, I'm skipping the generic advice. You've heard that a million times. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's fix this. First, we need to stop the damage being done, specifically the habits that cause facial asymmetry because it's not always genetics. Are you sitting with your legs crossed right now? Our bodies are one giant chain of muscle. If you always cross your right leg over your left, your spine curves, your neck tilts, and your jaw shifts to the opposite side to keep your eyes level. So your crooked jaw might actually be coming from your sitting posture. Sit with both feet flat on the floor. It feels weird, but watch how your tension headaches and your asymmetry start to get better. Now, another cause of your asymmetry is nail biting. This is because you usually shift your jaw to one side to tear away the nail. Over time, that uneven tension literally trains your facial muscles to grow unevenly. This is a habit you need to stop immediately. Another major habit is chewing on one side. It's one of the most common causes of facial asymmetry because almost everyone has a dominant chewing side. To fix this, simply chew using both sides of your face. It's easy and effective. And lastly, if you sleep on your side or your stomach, you're pressing about 10 pounds of head weight into one side of your face for 7 to 8 hours every night. That pressure deepens smile lines and slowly compresses your face on one side. If you want real symmetry, you need to learn to sleep on your back. Now that we've put an end to the damage you're doing, we need to talk about why some faces just pop. It's not just about bone structure, it is about facial contrast. Take a look at this image. Most of us naturally perceive the high contrast face as more attractive. This is because our brains are wired to look for clear definitions. So the question is, how do we naturally apply this to ourselves? To build contrast, we need to focus on 3 things. But let's start with the eyes. Your eyes are the first thing people look at. You can have perfect makeup, but if the whites of your eyes are yellow or red, it instantly lowers your facial contrast and makes you look unhealthy to the brain. This is usually caused by 2 things: blue light exposure and inflammation from a bad sleep schedule. To fix this, obviously, you need to sleep. But for the immediate fix, you need 2 metal spoons, put them in the freezer overnight, and press them gently over your eyelids for 30 seconds every single morning. The intense cold instantly makes the whites of your eyes look brighter and builds contrast against your iris. But you can make your eyes pop even more with pretty, long lashes. I know every single glow-up video on TikTok screams at you to slather castor oil on your eyes before bed, but the truth is that it can do more harm than good. Castor oil is extremely thick and heavy. It can clog the tiny hair follicles along your eyelid, which leads to puffiness, blurred vision, and even styes. You are essentially suffocating your lashes in an attempt to grow them. If you want long, dark, Bambi-like lashes without this risk, you need to switch to my personal holy grail, pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains enzymes and vitamins that dissolves dead skin cells and hydrates the lash without weighing it down. Use a clean spoolie to brush pure aloe through your lashes every night. Since it's light, it won't seep into your eyes and make you go blind like oil does. Your lashes will stay lifted, glossy, and separated all day long, and you treat them while you style them. So now that the top half of our face is perfect, let's move on to the bottom. Your lips literally signal your health. If your lips are pale, gray, or dry and blend into your face, it creates that low visual weight, making you look tired even if you're wide awake. So today we're creating that Snow White effect. And no, we are not using lipstick. We're fixing this biologically. We first need to understand why they look lifeless in the first place. If your lips are pale or white, you are likely lacking iron or vitamin B12. Your blood literally lacks the red pigment to shine through your skin. And if they are brown, you probably skipped SPF since lips don't have melanin to protect themselves from the sun. So don't forget to use a lip balm with SPF. And now that we've stopped the damage, let's naturally bring your lips to life. First, we need to exfoliate. When you constantly apply layers of gloss and lipstick, you build up dead skin cells that make your lips dry and gray. To expose that fresh pink tissue underneath, we're making that famous lip scrub right now. All you need is sugar and honey. Gently scrub this in circular motions for 30 seconds twice a week. You are physically removing that dead layer of skin and forcing blood to rush to the surface, which instantly restores that natural pink pigment. And here's a bonus. To create natural contrast, slice a fresh beetroot and rub it directly onto your lips. This natural pigment doesn't just sit on top of your lips, but gets absorbed by it. And the best part? It can even help with lip hyperpigmentation over time. So now that you've leveled up your face, it's time to step up your hygiene. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, lizards!